The Truma combi boiler distributes heat by circulating warm air through a series of vents located in the lounge, bedroom and washroom areas. To activate the system, press the button in the middle of the control panel. You can scroll using this same button by turning left or right. Select an option by pressing the button. The first icon allows you to set the inside temperature. Press the button to select and turn until you reach your desired temperature. Then press the button to set. If the room temperature is 5 or more degrees cooler than the set temperature and you're connected to both mains and gas, a boost option will appear that you can activate for a faster heat up. The second icon is for hot water. Press to select and then turn the button to choose your setting. Eco uses the least amount of power, while Boost is ideal for when you arrive on a site to quickly heat up the water. The third icon allows you to choose your power source, either gas, mains electric when on hookup, or a mix of both. With mains electric, you can also choose between 1 or 2 kilowatts of power. The fourth icon controls the speed of distribution of heat. If you don't have the heating on, you can select the fan option to circulate cooler air. The timer symbol is where you can set a start and end time for the heating. Again, just turn the button until the desired time and press to enter. The clock icon is where you can set the main clock. And finally, the main settings icon allows you to manage other aspects, such as adjusting the screen brightness, choosing a 12 or 24-hour clock, the language, and an option to reset the full system. You can also use Swift Command, if installed, to manage your heating and hot water. For more details, see the dedicated Swift Command video.